Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Next is the diode current equation. The theoretical relationship between voltage and current in PN junction diode is given by the equation ID equals to IS e raised to VD by eta VT minus 1. Now we need to see each and every term in detail over here. ID is the current flowing through the diode. Then IS stands for reverse bias saturation current, and its value for silicon PN junctions, typical value of IS are in the ranges of 10 raised to minus 15 to 10 raised to minus 13 ampere. These are the typical values for the silicon case of the reverse saturation current. Then next is the VD. VD is the voltage across the diode. For silicon it is 0.7 volts and for germanium it is 0.2 volts. Now next is the value of eta. Eta stands for the emission coefficient. Now eta value is between 1 and 2. Now if eta value is not specified in the question, we generally take the value as 1. The emission coefficient eta takes into account any recombination of electrons and holes in the space charge region. What is space charge region? Nothing but the depletion region. At very low currents, the recombination may be the significant factor. Eta value is close to 2 for recombination, where the recombination may be a significant factor and the value of eta is very much close to 2. So wherever recombination is more, you can see the value of eta is 2. If it is not specified, we will take the value of eta as 1. One more thing, at higher current levels recombination is less and hence we take the value of eta as 1. So what we can say, at higher current recombination is less, so we take eta as 1, and at lower current recombination is more, so we take eta as 2. These are the two conditions where we decide the value of eta what to take. Now last is the VT. What is VT? VT is the thermal voltage. Now how to calculate the value of thermal voltage? Is it constant? Yes, of course it is constant. How to calculate the value of VT? We can say VT is KT upon Q. K is the Boltzmann's constant and T is the temperature and Q is the charge. Now how to calculate the value of VT? VT can be calculated as KT by Q. K is Boltzmann constant. Value of K is taken as 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joules per Kelvin. Value of T can say absolute temperature in Kelvin is taken as constant if not given as 300 Kelvin. Q is magnitude of charge given as, everyone knows, it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Now when you substitute these values, what you will get for VT? K is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. Temperature is 300 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So you will get approximately as 26 millivolts. So the value of VT comes as 26 millivolts. So to summarize, the final equation for the diode current is, can say ID equals to IS e raised to VD upon eta VT minus 1. Now as per the specifications given in certain books, you find the diode current as small id. Even if you are writing capital ID, it is fine. IS saturation current, VD upon eta into VT minus 1 is the final diode current equation.